Well, they got orange signs up. This is Franklinville. Climbing one end of Main Street. Oh, they're working. They're still doing the electrical stuff, refurbishing. Good. Be ready to stop. Be ready to stop. So they got 3 trucks there. There's 2 cranes actually up there. There's a guy working up there, but there's another guy in a bucket lower. How'd you like to do that? See the truck there? The truck on the white, it's got AWP. But that's got, I'll bet that's, do you think that's the flag man? Okay, we gotta do it slow. We don't want to run over his toes. Gotta watch out for people who might step out unexpectedly. Don't want them to do that. Get a good view of the work trucks. There we go. And there's the, oh, there's the traffic oncoming. Okay, we had our turn. They've done the work up here. I guess I saw that there'd been poles lying down there on the curve, so they've come back. You see the half pole there? And they've got extended arms on the one we just passed, which is another thing they're doing. And here's the main distribution line run overhead. Steve AB4 y'all, just being nosy. Glad to see the electrical infrastructure refurbishment ongoing. Saying see you in 73.